Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks. And in today's video, we're going to be unpackaging and reviewing a case I purchased on Amazon for an Amazon Fire HD8 tablet. It is not an official Amazon case, but it is compatible according to what's on Amazon and a handy little additional card that I see on the product listing now. Now, the case is pretty simple. It comes in a plastic bag. If you're having it delivered by Amazon, it's usually in a cardboard sleeve. And let's take it out. The case is a simple folio case, similar to the ones launched with the iPad 2 over 10 years ago nowadays. And it is made out of two materials. It's got a harder plastic case around the edges to give it structure, and then it has a soft pleather-like cover with magnets in it to keep it closed and to activate the screen when you open it or deactivate it when you close it. Now, let's put the tablet into the case. This is my 2024 Fire HD8, which seems to be quite a popular one going by how many people are watching our videos on YouTube. And here we go. Yep, it fits. You can see the magnets at the top here for the case and how they keep the case closed. Now, on the right hand side or top of the device, you'll see that we have two speaker grill cutouts. So these are for the stereo speakers on the tablet. There is a cutout for that camera, which is not great but functional on the Fire HD8, and the whole side of the tablet has a cutout from the harder structure of the case for a 3.5mm headphone jack, for USB Type-C charging and data position, microphone, volume rocker, and power button. All these are easily accessible with your finger whilst using it, so good design here for the case and very handy because you know that everything's on one side of the tablet. And as a result, on the other side, there is nothing. There is a cutout there, probably to save on weight and materials, but it's there. So I'd say decent case, seems to work well. The whole idea here is that the case is a folio case, which means that the cover for the screen folds into segments so that you can use it to hold it up. So it becomes a little triangle pyramid holding up your tablet. So the reason I got this is because I'm going to be using it on flights in the coming days, and the Amazon Fire HD8 fits nicely into my pocket, even with a case on it. And when I say pocket, I'm obviously referring to cargo pants, which I wear quite a lot. So if you'd like to know more, if you have any questions about this case, which I do recommend, I won't even try pronouncing the brand's name, which is ODQQDO. ODQQDO. No, I'll stop trying to pronounce that. If you want to know more, please do leave us a comment in the section below, and I'll do my best to get back to you. And if you would like to see more of our coverage of consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories, and anything else we think makes the travel experience better, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. But for now, thanks for watching if you made it this far, and goodbye from me.